Hello! Today I will unboxing, set up, and test this Black+Decker 1250-watt electric circular saw. I regularly make speaker boxes, and until now I've been using a crosscut saw or a jigsaw. But they didn't provide the best cutting results, so I decided to buy my first electric circular saw. This is the Black+Decker CS1250L, with a 190mm blade, which allows for a 66mm depth of cut. This electric saw provides 5,300 RPM speed of cut, onboard laser, and cuts from 0 to 45 degrees on edges. Remember, a circular saw is very dangerous, so before you start working with this tool, watch the safety instruction videos. But now, let's get started with the unboxing, setup, and first tests.